Hello, Elena.
Hi, Sam. You look stressed. What's the matter?
I am tired of trying to explain to clients what my product is. It's too complicated for them to understand, and giving them a live demonstration is expensive. How can I sell my product if I can't explain what it is?
Oh, I completely understand your problem. I think I can help you out. Let me walk you through a presentation I've prepared. SL Power's MB120 is an AC to DC power supply designed for the next generation of medical devices. It is a 120-watt AC to DC power supply with superior performance for medical device applications. It is compact, feature-rich, and highly efficient, providing 100 watts of convection-cooled power without derating. It allows input and output temperature monitoring. All models are CE certified and approved to AAMI, ES, CSA, EN, and IEC standards. It is designed with safety in mind and meets two means of patient protection. It is designed for the future and meets the upcoming 4th edition EMC requirements. And it is BF isolation type rated, exhibiting extremely low leakage current performance. MB120 can be used extensively in medical applications on various platforms, like medical lighting, ICU factory automation, hematology equipment, patient monitoring, and other such applications. Applications of MB120 range from surgical equipment, ICU monitoring, imaging, infusion pumps, and other such devices. The benefits of MB120 are, its compact package is ideal for 1U applications. It hosts a 10-year life design with premium E-caps. It provides 100 watts of convection-cooled power, gives Class B conducted and radiated EMI performance, and is rated with BF isolation. MB120 is designed to meet the new IEC 4th edition EMC requirements. It is approved to AAMI, ES, CSA, EN, and IEC standards. It provides 2x MOPP isolation, it has lesser standby power, and it comes with an exclusive 3-year warranty. MB120 comes in 4 variants, distinguished by 4 different voltages. Its overall efficiency varies from 92 to 94%. MB120 comes with hiccup mode and auto recovery for overload protection and short circuit protection. Its overvoltage protection enables latching off when the output voltage is within the given range. Moreover, its output reverse voltage protects against the momentary reverse current. MB120 is designed to meet the best-in-class EMI EMC performance standards. Let's recap the MB120 value propositions, and you are through to go. You can visit the SL Power website for more information.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.